Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change Nissan Altima gas cap cable. So this is my Nissan, and then the fuel cap cannot be opened, so the cable is broken, so I replace it. Let's get started. Alright, let's take a look at the cable first. So this is the cable. Alright, so it has two ends. You can see one end, the metal piece is bigger than another one. So the big one go to the front, and the small one go to the gas cap. And also the front, there is one plastic cap, a plastic part somewhere here. You know, when I take the cable off, I have to cut it off. So there's one in the front, and there are two near the end of the cable. 1, 2. So that's what the cable look like. Okay. To take the cable off the vehicle, so there are that's the first one, the plastic is supposed to be here. I just take it off, and second one, third piece. All right, let's come here, take a look. So that's the third piece. You know, that's this side, and this is the fourth piece. You don't have to take it off. You can just lose it, just like what I did. Just lose it, because there's a seat. Very hard to take it off. Oh, I don't know how to take it off. But anyway, the point is you have you can lose it. So there's a space, below it. The cable go back to the trunk. So all right, let's take a look at the back. So this is the cover. You put it away. Then you can see the cable from the rear seat goes through that little space right there, and then come out and all the way up there and go back to the front. That's where the gas cap lock is. All right, so this is just give you a quick idea how this wire, how the cable go from the front, the driver's side, all the way back to the gas cap. Okay, so I start the cable from the front, from the driver's side first. Now the cable, you to put the cable on, you first of all, there's two screws. You unscrew them, and then take the thing, lose the thing. This is easier after you lose it. Then you can say there's two cable. One is for the trunk, for the hood. Another is for the gas cap. And getting close. So you see there's a wire, and then plastic. The metal clip on the plastic. So you just have to lose the metal in the front, and then things will pop up. Then you take the old one off. It's very easy. You just you can see there's a space here, so you just put a wire, follow the wire, go space, then loose. See, my wire is already loose. Okay, so that's how the front. Then you take the old one off, you put a new one on, then you screw these things back on. All right, so after you put the front of cable in the position, then you just run the wire, go through all the goes through all the way to the back. When you saw the old wire, you know how the wire is supposed to go, so you just follow what it's supposed to be. Go back to the trunk. Okay, so let's take a look once the wire go to the into the trunk, and then how this part works. All right, take this outside first. All right, you can see this is the cable This is a cable. That's the small metal cap right here, and this is the piece, the lock. So when you take the old wire off the lock, don't pull back in. You will break the plastic. You actually pull the cable forward, so that will try to push the lock, the plastic forward. So both things come out. Yeah, I made a mistake, but that's what I found later. So you pull the thing forward, then just like the front, this thing is the little metal lock here. You lose the cable. Actually have a clip with the plastic part. So you unclip it, you undo it, then follow the empty space. Then you can take the things off. That's it. Same thing when you take back, you put the metal wire first. Okay, you put in the metal, then you put the metal in. Then you don't forget, you need to click the plastic on the outside of the wire, the cable, with the lock together. So this will make sure the metal part does not move around loose. Then you push the things back into the position. You push the back. Push back in. You probably do it with 2 hands, but it's just it's not easy. All right, after half an hour of fighting, I finally pushed the plastic lock back in the position. Let's see if it works. So this is the cap. Lock up. Okay, it works. So, all right, so that's how you replace your gas cap, cable, or whatever name the Nissan called them. And yeah, I'm glad I fixed this stupid thing. They should never break at the first place. All right. Yeah. And at the end of the video, there's something I want to mention. So to get this part, most likely you have to buy it through a dealership. So you can, what I did is I ordered them online. You can log into the Nissan website and then search for the part. Now I show you the part number here. So that's the package, and this is the part number. And if you just order the number, like what I show you, you should get the right part. And the same thing, same number here. So if you get it online, it will be cheaper. Then you can choose to pick up in the local dealership or ship to you. So yeah, it's up to you. All right, so that's the video. Thank you very much.